Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm doing another flower dip, but today I will use two canvases and press them together. And my paints that I will use are mixed with glue pouring medium, 70% PVA glue to 30% water, and I mix them 1 to 1 with my colors, and I have here 24K gold. This is the consistency. Hope that you see. I have magenta, I have burgundy, I have green earth. What is the other? Chrome green, and I have white and some black. And as I said, I will do a flower dip on two canvases today, and I will apply my white paint on both of them, and I will do kind of a flower on both of them too. So don't want the whole lot paint, and I'm not worried about my sides because with flower dips I normally paint them later because the pattern doesn't go over the sides, you know, it just in the front of your canvas, or how can I say, so it's not like when you do pours that you tilt and you have to have your, not have to, but it's nice if you have your sides, that your pattern goes over the sides, but with flower dips this is not the case. I will play with the flower dips a little bit. I was kind of out of it for some time. Doesn't feel it, but this winter was so long that I really want me some flowers, you know. Okie doke, so what I will do just kind of 1, 2, 3 circles in a way, and I will start with a little bit of black for the contrast. how this will turn out. Okay, now I will put them together. And because I have paint on both canvases, I really hope that, you know, oop, don't slide. And now they slide. Now I don't know, maybe I just ruined the whole thing. So I will just try to separate them straight up if I can, because the suction on both of them so you see, even though that I get paint on both of them, one of them is with way more paint than on the other. I need to correct this part here a little bit. And because of that, I'm afraid that this one here will crack, because there is a ton of paint on there. You know what? I don't like this one anymore because it just keep on growing, and I'm pretty sure that it will crack 99.9%. So I will try to dip another canvas on top of this one, and this time I will try to, you know, put this one on top, that it's a lot of paint on. Try to go the other side a little bit. Those canvases are just not the same size. I don't know why. Because they are not expensive canvases. Let's see if we can do that and save it in a way. So here they are dry. My favorite, definitely this one. This gold shines through. It's a nice flower for my taste. I like it. And maybe I should have left that canvas with so much paint on to dry, I don't know, because I decided that at the end to dip it again. And those are the two canvases came from that. And I'm not, I'm going more for this kind of look. It doesn't kind of have a form. Maybe if I paint this white, I don't know, but not the look that I'm going for. This is the look that I'm going for, and unfortunately you can get this just on one canvas, not on two. So that's why I normally dip on the plastic and then use a skin for some other project. So yeah, but I decided to show you that you will know what to expect if you do that. You can definitely do that, but you have to expect different results, not two identical like this. So thanks for being here. I hope that you learned something from it. This is a point on my channel. I want to share what I know that you can learn too along with me. And see you again on the next one. Bye!